18 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18, 3 times 7 21. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. Okay, 3 goes into this 1 how many times? Actually 1 is less than 3, so 0 times. 0 times 3 0, subtract 1, bring down this 8. 3 goes into 18 how many times? 3 goes into 18 6 times. 6 times 3 18, subtract 0. So our answer is 0 6 means 6. Our answer is 6, or question is 6.